Yeah, hi, welcome to today's video. We're going to be looking at a site called WowTube, and it's an app where you can actually go and watch shorts, YouTube shorts and videos, and play a few games, and then get paid $500 for just a few minutes work, guys. Is this real? Is it legit? Let's go and find out as I do my first payout redeem live on this video. So let's go and do a full WowTube review and find out whether it is legit and whether you can get paid money for watching videos. So you see, we're on WowTube now, and basically all you need to do is obviously watch videos on your actual thing. So literally, once you've actually filled this bar and you've watched the video, just tap on that, and then it says I can double out, and it basically just takes you to another ad then that you actually go and watch. And this is how they make their money, guys, is obviously with you obviously downloading all these different games. So let's just watch this quick video. I'll go and watch this video and come back. Okay, so as you can see, it's added some coins to my amount at the top here. And again, as you can see, this is just literally watching this video here, which doesn't seem to even do anything. And then obviously once I get that, I can actually tap it again. And as you can see, it's gone up to 5,037. And when you first come in, you get 2,000 coins just for joining. And then obviously you get other coins just for watching ads and tapping this chest up in the top right hand corner here. Once you do that, you obviously get loads of coins, and as you get nearer to the 5,000, because 5,000 is your first payout, which will be you'll be able to redeem for $5 in your PayPal account. So we're going to go and show you whether we can actually do that very shortly, but as you can see, there's not an awful lot to this in actual fact. Let's just go to new, and it doesn't seem to be moving at all. The whole screen is even frozen, and still I'm able to just tap. As you can see, this is going to lucky reward PayPal, double it. So I'm going to double it.
Click the link at the bottom of the video to download Lucky Habit, and you will get 500.
So you do get obviously a lot of these spammy adverts, which just basically promise you PayPal money all the time. Just ignore these. Don't click on any of these because they probably could be scams, and we wouldn't want you to obviously lose any information or money or anything doing this. So as you can see, I earned another load of coins. So I've got 5,069 now. Okay, and it says I've got a gift here as well. So you can get gifts, and you just quickly open them, and it adds different points down below here. So once I've hit 75 points, I can actually redeem that prize. Okay, and again, you can just click on open. Congrats, goes down to the TV, and I've got 16 points. I need to get 75. Well. Now remember, guys, what normally happens with these, and I've been on these apps before, is when you start getting to nearer the 75 or 50 or whatever the amount is to actually win the prize, it basically just adds more prizes, and it keeps adding the points to those prizes instead. So you never really end up actually getting the prize. Okay, so let's do another video and just show you. Like I say, this video seems to be stuck. It's not even actually doing anything. You've got some oddballs here. You've got a sort of spin, lucky spin. So if we spin this, and we've won some more money, so we can claim another 31 points. But before we do that, guess what? We've got to go and watch another ad, and it's telling us to install another app. Okay, so like I say, this is how they actually make their money, is by basically advertising all these other different apps. So it's added the points to my total there. So if we go back, let's go and see if, we've actually got a video now. These are shorts, which you can actually watch. So again, you're just watching YouTube video shorts, and obviously ending up being able to actually get rewards. Or do you? So let's go over and cash out and see whether they do actually pay me. Because I've hit the 5,000 coins very quickly, very easily, and I'm wondering whether they do actually pay out. I'm sure there's going to be a catch, but let's go and have a look. So let's go to cash out, and it says here, look, 5,000, which is actually going to give me $500. Okay, so that means I can redeem $500 to my PayPal. Well, just by doing watching a few minutes worth of video. That is ridiculous, guys. So let's click on redeem. I'm sure I'm not going to be able to get this. So let's try and enter into my account. Now it's giving my account as this. So let's go and see what happens. Press redeem. And it says here, you can get your $500 in 3 days. In order to be successful, submit your money will be transferred to your PayPal account in 72 hours. So why would it take 3 days to do that? So, okay, so it's not going to give me the $500, obviously. So let's go back and see what we have to do. And it says here, we're processing. It says, you can activate the order immediately by paying a fee, 69 cents, 69 pence I can do. Okay, or you can watch 30 ads to activate your order. So it's getting you to obviously watch more video ads, and also it wants you to actually probably pay the 69 pence. Whatever you do, don't go and pay the 69 pence, guys. This is how, again, probably they make their money. I don't think you're going to get paid this. They will come up with other different things that you're going to have to do once you've actually gone and watched all these ads or paid the money. They'll say that there is something else you need to do then as well. What it has done, though, has taken my cash out balance down to 216, as you can see here. So it's actually taken the money out. So let's just see whether it will actually pay out in the 72 hours. Okay, but if we click on the 69, it says here, by tapping the agreement, you consent to immediate performance. So that actually goes to Google Play, through Google Play. So be very careful what you're actually tapping on, guys. So let's come back in 72 hours and see whether it will actually cash out then. Okay, so as you can see up the top here, I've got a balance now of 31,000. What I did, I actually went and done the 30 ads, okay? And then so that should allow me now to cash out my $500, which it says I can have. And not only that, just by 30 ads, it's got me another 31,000 points up here, coins, which I can obviously redeem those as well. So if we go to cash out, as you can see here, it says I've hit the 30, but it now says I must watch 60 video ads in 5 days to get the reward. Okay, and it's now giving me the 5 days timer now instead of the 72-hour timer. So this is, it's just obviously not going to happen, guys. It's as simple as that. I've proved that over and over. And as you can see, I can now redeem 30,000, which is another $3,000. So if I press on redeem, let's just quickly add in this, and they'll probably want me to watch more ads. So let's click redeem on that. It says here, congratulations, you can get $3,000 in 72 hours. Well, as we all know, and it's obviously telling me to pay the 69 pence again, which is about 80 cents in dollars. But I can obviously go and watch 90 video ads now if I wanted to activate it. And that's obviously going to go to 180 when I've hit 90. So at the end of the day, guys, don't waste any more of your time with this. WowTube is definitely not going to be paying out. They're just going to continually keep giving you ads to watch, and you're never ever going to actually reach anything here. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for me. Don't forget to watch these videos next, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.